Evening, welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you back. Today we'll be talking about brokers, Forex brokers. So, talking about broker is because you can't trade on the market without a broker. Simply, a broker is a middleman between you and the Forex market. Broker is a middleman between you and the Forex market. So, this is what the broker is. So, this is you. Uh, this is you. You have your cash that you want to trade, and then this is the forex market here. You do not have access to this market directly. You must have something that is connecting you and the forex market, and that thing is what we call the broker. I will show you an example of that, of how you can't trade the forex market directly without a broker. So think of it like a bank. So you go to the bank that you open, the First Bank, Zenith Bank, for those of us in Nigeria. We do that to get cash or the POS. So the POS and the bank agents serve as brokers. So this is the POS. Oh God, POS here and banks, and then this is the CB Central Bank of Nigeria, where these people go and collect money for you to come and collect. So the bridge in between you and the CBN is the POS, and then the broker is the bridge between you and the forex market. So a broker provides you with an opportunity to link your trading accounts using apps, very popular apps like MetaTrader, and then I've seen Trader Lock, and then a few others. Well, I'm very conversant with MetaTrader. So the broker gives you access to the market, and then prices to buy and sell, and then a place to keep your money, because your money will not be in the sky trading itself. It has to be in an account, and then the broker offers you an account to keep that money that you want to trade with, as it gives you access to the forex market. Without a broker, you cannot see the trades you have opened. Every trade you open will just be on the market for whoever it is seeing it. But the broker gives you an opportunity to look at all those trades that you're opening, and then you should have an opportunity to watch it. So let me just show you. I have um here on this chart here. Let me remove this first. So this is Bitcoin chart, and then you would see that if I come and press on buy or sell now, I click on buy. You see, connect through our trusted brokers. It means I cannot just trade this market without linking it to something. So now they are offering you types of the brokers you can use here. So before you select a broker, do well to research yours well. I'm not going to recommend any, but do well to research before you jump into using any broker. Ensure that they offer you good guidance. But then if you want me to recommend one, just drop in the comment section and I will do that. But then you cannot trade the market without a broker. I will not correct any broker to this chart currently here. That's why it's telling me to select a broker in order for me to be able to trade. So without a broker, I will not be able to trade. That's one thing you should take note of. And then I think that should be it for today. There's nothing much, just explanation. So as I said, a broker is a bridge between, sorry, bits. How is it spelled? I forgot to do spelled. Yes, BETWEN, between a trader, sorry, which is you. Let's do this, which is you, and the market. So it just gives you, just connects you and the market. That's just it. No complex thing. It just connects you and the market, and then that's it on forex broker. There's nothing more. A broker, a bridge between a trader and the market. So that will be it for today. I hope you understand. And then you don't, please do well to drop in the comment section and then we'll address it better. See you in the next one. Please do well to refer your friends to the channel to watch and then also learn. If you're enjoying and then you are learning from what we're doing here, please do well to share with your friends that are interested on learning and then they are at their beginner stage, just trying to learn. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.